Hey everybody, this is Dr. Sapneil Tutoring from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. Today for my desk we're going to be talking about applying to college as a transfer and what are 6 important helpful tips. So number 1, a quarter of American college students who start a 4-year institution will transfer to finish one of their college degrees. Okay, so it's really important. Some of the things you want to know are the reasons for your transferring. So number 1, prospective transfer students need to carefully consider why they don't want to stay at the current university. Is it because the program that they're wanting to pursue is not at that university? They want more of a specific program or a college that's tailored to their choices. Number 2, put yourself in the best position to transfer. Less than fewer than 60 credits, it's probably not the best time to transfer. You want to have at least 60 credits or more. We have some people that really specialize in college transfer process, so definitely reach out to us if we can help you with this. Next is make sure you have a competitive GPA and any standardized test scores. Do your research on the college. Make sure you're looking at the right colleges and universities that apply to this transfer process. Meet the deadlines. Make sure you're well above the deadline. Remember, as a college transfer, you're amongst a very small pool of applicants that they're going to take because they're going to do their early decision, early action, and their regular decision applicants before they go on to their transfer applicants. Number 5, read the college transfer policy. Make sure that you're understanding and you have a clear picture of what that transfer policy looks like. Okay? Some schools won't accept credits. Some schools don't accept AP, ACE, or Cambridge advanced programs. So look at what credits are accepted from the current credits in your college. And if you need to hire a transcript service to verify your courses against the classes at that college, make sure you do that. Overall, make sure you reach out to someone that's a professional that can help you in this college transfer process. We'd be more than happy to talk to you to help you achieve your academic goals. And we hope this video helped. Thank you so much.
Thank you.